In our previous class we discussed the topic, drama and theater. In today's class we will be learning the topic, papier mache. Papier mache is a substance made of pulped paper or paper pulp mixed with glue and other materials or media. Papier mache is the craft in which objects are formed and cast with a mold using a mixture of wet pulped paper and starchy paste orgum. Tools: scissors, mortar and pestle, utility knife, paintbrush, manicure or sewing scissors. Process in making papier mache: get old newspaper and magazine. Cut newspaper into small bits. Soak the pieces of newspaper in water overnight. Pound the pieces of soaked newspaper in a mortar with the aid of a pestle. Squeeze out the excess water from the paper pulp. Mix the pulped paper with the water-based starch paste or liquid glue. Mold the desired object using the paper pulp. Dry the work in the sun and decorate it with colors. Uses or functions of papier mache. It can be used for making masks, figurines, sculptures, ornaments as well as party things like piñatas. Products of papier mache can serve as teaching aid in the classroom. Finished products serve the purpose of interior decoration in our homes, offices and to keep pencils and pens. A creative and versatile art form using paper strips and adhesive to craft sculptures and decorative items. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.